Hey friends, welcome back to the DuckHill Sawmill. Obviously my name is Ben, and today it is a beautiful, balmy 3 degrees. I can actually count that with my lobsters on. It's a gorgeous day. It's a Friday, which, you know, being self-employed, who cares? Every day can be Friday and every day can be Monday. Today we're gonna cut cherry in the cold, but thankfully there's no wind and there's a lot of sun, which is awesome. The only downside is the mill won't start. So I gotta go get some ether starting fluid, hose the carburetor down, see if she'll fire over. It happens. The joys of living in our winter wonderland. So see if we can get this started and get to work. All right, very carefully, just gonna climb up here, spray the air filter with a ether. Choke. Ooh, it smells good. Come on, girl. Turn the throttle up, see if that helps. That's up and running. I can let it warm up for a little bit. Yeah, we still gotta let the hydraulic fluid circulate, even though I just changed it down to 32 weight oil instead of the 46 that it came with. So lets us run a little faster here in the cold. I'll get the skid loader started up and we'll start moving some logs over here, and then we'll get to cutting. All right, friends, that has been a glorious afternoon milling some cherry lumber, some live edge cherry slabs. We're gonna get them loaded up on the trailer now and we'll haul them to the kiln on Sunday. So, oh, Moose, come here. Let's see, yep, come here. No, Moose has got to check it out. Proper inspection. Hi, you, hi, yeah, you a good girl. You a good girl. Okay. Well, all right. I gotta get the truck started and then shovel off the trailer and see if I can get the truck down into it. So gross.